Yeah, thank you, Dr. Schwartz, for the brief introduction. And before I get started, I would also like to thank you, the company Tyboon, for letting me use their coffee roaster to do my research. Digitalization is around every corner. If you look at today's economy, we can find numerous business models that have been transformed through digitalization. For example, Airbnb gave private landlords and tourists a digital platform for easy booking and renting of accommodations. Another example from the food sector is the Thermomix kitchen machine and the related cookie dough platform. An everyday task such as cooking is simplified for users through digital support. And on the other hand, experts in cooking are given a platform to share their knowledge. So, how can such digitalization approaches be integrated into the coffee industry? Before I try to give an answer to this, I would like to introduce myself briefly to explain my relation to this topic. My name is Christian Müller. I'm a research assistant at the InnoSpace Design Factory Mannheim and completed my master's degree in computer science a few months ago. And I researched a question I just posed within my master thesis titled Innovation through Digitalization in Coffee Roasting, Application of Design Thinking and Concept Development. So this research was driven by the following questions. How can user-centered innovations improve the user experience in coffee roasting? What new business models can be created? And as the main research question, what innovation potential exists in coffee roasting to improve the user experience, and to what extent can these be implemented with software? So to answer these questions, I used the methodologies of this design thinking process, which you already got to know in Professor Kohler's keynote lecture. And in the following, I would like to present you short excerpts of the results of these phases. One of the outcomes of the amplified and defined phases were the personas that could benefit from a digitalization within the coffee sector. Besides private coffee enthusiasts, the persona of a coffee shop owner and roaster could benefit greatly from digitalization in context of coffee roasting. This persona wants a coffee and would like to offer her customers an individual experience for her own roast. For this, however, she needs more than only a device, but also the necessary materials and the knowledge. Continuing in the process, based on this persona, various ideation methods, such as brainstorming or user journey maps, were used to identify innovation potentials. Having experts like, like Dr. Schwartz, but also everyday users whose domain knowledge is not so strong, attending such ideation workshops help to have a comprehensive picture on the possibilities and potential problems of a future solution. According to the explored innovation potentials, several iterations of prototypes and related tests were conducted to validate and further develop them. This, for example, included a storyboard representing the current experience with coffee roasting compared to the possibilities with a digital ecosystem. Testing the storyboard with different coffee shop owners showed that they often like to offer their customers an individual experience, but they often lack the necessary resources to start to get in the world of roasting. Most of those interviewed coffee shop owners indicated that an ecosystem would change the way they view roasting. So several prototypes and increasing fidelity of a coffee roasting software and an associated web platform were creating, starting with low fidelity prototypes like quick drawings and continuing with mid-fidelity prototypes like mock-ups. The iterative process of prototyping allowed valuable feedback to be gathered early on, which could then be integrated back into the further development. For the final iteration of prototyping and testing, a high-fidelity prototype was created in the form of concrete software development. With the help of this prototype, the advantages of integrating the Typhoon roaster into a digital ecosystem could be tested under real conditions. Linking the roaster to a web platform enables workflows such as the comfortable creation of roasting profiles via the web platform, which are then also available on the roaster and can be started there. So as a result, normally there should be text. As a result of this process and these prototypes, over 16 innovation potentials to create an optimal roasting experience were found. During this process, requirements were continuously tested, existing ones updated, and new ones created. The potentials could be classified in the categories of hardware, software, platform, and other. Just to give short examples for the hardware category, weight measurement before, during, and after the roasting was named. Also, the potential came up to measure water and remaining moisture determination. Looking at the software category, examples are to assist roasters during profile creation or to link roast profiles with fitting taste profiles. Some of the greatest potentials were developed within the platform category, and I would like to present some of them in the following. So, looking at the potentials, the question comes up. How can we empower aspiring roasters to deliver a high-quality experience to their customers? And for this, I would like to imagine you are Anna, a coffee shop owner just entering the world of roasting. On your journey, several problems arise. She wonders, where can she get suitable beans for a roaster? What roast profile she uses for them? Do other people even like her roast? How can she exchange ideas with other roasters? How can she educate herself on the subject to be an expert herself? For the answers to these questions, we will go through a short storyboard. So, as mentioned, the first problem is, after getting the roaster, that she has no beans available for a roaster. So she decides to ask her friend Tom if he has any ideas, and Tom refers her to the Roast Eco Marketplace. The Roast Eco Marketplace is a part of a digital web platform where roasters can buy green coffee beans. Partner farmers get a distribution channel where they can directly sell their products. And as a provider of this marketplace, you could create revenue with transaction fees. Introducing the marketplace, she now has the device and also the materials to start roasting. But next, of course, she wonders how to optimally roast the bean she just got. Tom refers her at this time to the platform's matching profile library. In this part of the system, she can select from a variety of different roasting profiles. She has the possibility to choose between different profiles for coffee beans she before got from the marketplace. The roast profiles could, for example, be provided from the partner farmers or other roasters from a community. Roasting profiles could also be supplemented by various attributes, for example, the preparation method, so that in turn these can be filtered by them. Anytime she's interested in a new profile, she can easily select one, transfer it wirelessly to a roaster, and try it out there. In addition, the possibility of existing roast profiles, users can also create their own profiles and share them with their friends, or if they want to, with the entire community. She can be supported during the profile creation by intelligent advisors, which give information, for example, about the respective changes of temperature or roasting time. So if we take a look again, continue on the journey, she no longer has to worry about the materials and also the matching roast profiles. But next she wonders if she can exchange with other roasters and how to get their opinion on her profiles. For this, Tom tells her about the forum part of the platform. At the forum, she can share ideas with other roasters and get their opinion on her roast profiles. If she has a problem and needs help, she can also ask for it there. Besides that, users could be informed about new features or upcoming changes within the ecosystem. And it could also be possible to have a special section within the forum where paid experts within the coffee industry share their knowledge. So at this point, she not only has the important parts to start roasting, but can also be a part of a community which integrates with each other. But what if she wants to extend even further and be a roast expert by herself? And for this, Tom tells her about the Roast Eco-Learn. And Roast Eco-Learn offers her different options to increase her own expertise. There are free accessible blog articles which teach her the basic information to create her own roast profiles and how to operate and maintain her coffee roaster. And besides that, it could also be possible to partner with coffee experts who share their knowledge in mediated workshops that she can directly book from the platform and create her own customized learning path. Similar to the marketplace, the provider of the platform could benefit via mediation fees. So if we take a look again, instead of a journey of challenges, Anna now can walk through a journey full of opportunities to provide a high-quality experience to her customers. She now has not only the device to start roasting, but also the necessary materials and knowledge. The materials come, as mentioned, from partner farmers in form of the green coffee beans. The knowledge is gained in 3 different ways. The learning components, like the blog or related workshops, empower her to be a roasting expert by herself. The forum and the related community gives her the possibility to exchange with other roasters to get important feedback or help if needed. And most important, she gains access to a growing profile library which easily provides her the desired roast results. So, to eventually answer the question, how can Anna or other coffee roasters be empowered to deliver a high-quality experience to her customers? An ecosystem consisting of digital components of a web platform, as well as different actors and roles that create a shared value through the exchange, empower the future roasters. Thank you for your attention.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Miller, for this example. I think it was very good to have the general speech and now a very concrete example. One question from me. We know that there is a little presentation outside from Tyboon. Is there also like a working prototype? Or?
Yeah, we can see the screenshots I just showed. We can also.
So if anyone would like to see and understand that better, we could ask you, say,
sure,
tomorrow or any time.
Or today.
So, or today. Remember the face, that's the guy to ask. Okay, is there a question you would have right now?
Yeah, will this be commercialized or soon then can you buy it?
Until now, it's a tested concept, but I'm still working together with Tyboon and see how the future will look like.
That was an answer from the company. Okay. Any other question?
Yeah, thank you for your presentation. What is in fact the difference between the existing models that exist today, like Ikawa and Roast?
Yeah, I also found those in my research. I think there are different systems like Ikawa, Roast, or also Bellwether, if you know these, which have some of the components, but I haven't found one system yet that integrates all the components I just presented. For example, I would be wrong, but I don't remember that Roast has any workshops or an active community which integrates with Fire. I know there's a profile library, but not to this extent, I would imagine.
Any other question? Ah, no, I thought there was a question. I thought Dr. Scholler had a question, just taking down the glasses. It looked official. Could have also been in your domain. Yeah, I can see your brain already running hot here. Okay. See, this is mindset. This is exactly it. I see he's just removing his glasses, but I already suggest he's already having a question because it's in his business. Okay. Thank you. So then, thank you so much.
You.
Wait, don't run away.